here we go with the E flat scale, which is the next scale in the series of all the scales for piano. We will start with the right hand as almost always, and this one is going to start with the third finger on E flat, and then we will immediately cross to the thumb, where we will play 1, 2, 3, and 4 all in a row. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we will go to the thumb again and play 1, 2, 3. Then the same as we just did. We made it to E flat and we're crossing over to the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then finish it with 1, 2, 3. And backwards. 3, 2, 1. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 3, 2, 1. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. And ending with the third finger, of course. Okay, so take note that we have only 3 black keys for this one. We played all of them, although I didn't really talk about it. This should be expected by now, if you made it this far and started from the beginning. If you need to pause to work that out with your right hand, please do so now, and then come back to play it smoothly with me. Alright, if you paused, welcome back. If not, we're going to go on. Let's try playing this with the right hand, nice and smoothly and in time. Ready, set, go! Moving on to the left hand. The left hand will also start with the third finger. And there is a rule for this scale that I think I explained in the A flat scale video. However, I will re-explain it now. For the left hand, if it starts on a black key, starts with the third finger, and you play 3, 2, 1, and then cross over with the fourth finger. That's a really nice, convenient way of remembering what the fingers are supposed to be. And of course, there is an exception to this rule, which we have already learned. That scale, so we won't talk about it now. Let us play these fingers. So we're going to start with the third finger and then play 3, 2, 1, and then the fourth finger, as I have just said, and of course we will get all 4 fingers, 4, 3, 2, 1 just before. And if you can remember what we had on E flat last time when we started, it was 3 and then 2, 1 of course, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Cap it off with the third finger. And backwards. 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3. Straightforward enough. This one is easier to remember going down than it is going up, as I think all the left-hand scales might be. So pause now to work that out if you would like, or go back if you need more clarification on some fingers. And if you do that, you can continue on. Here we go. We're going to try that slowly and smoothly. Ready, set, go. If you need to do a little bit of extra work on that, that's fine. We will go on to the next step, which is to do 2 hands. Nice and slowly. Maybe we'll slow it down a little bit more. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, moving right along, we will talk about the primary chords for this scale. The 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. Let us play the first 5 notes of this scale, each with 1 finger, all in a row. Here's the first note, second, third, fourth, fifth, and can we find the root, the third, and the fifth, and that's going to make the 1 chord. And as always, in order to get from the 1 chord to the 4 chord, we will take the top 2 notes, which are G and B flat, and we will scoot them up to the next note of the scale, which is A flat and C. And we'll keep the E flat on bottom, of course, and that gives us the 4 chord. And going back, the first chord we played, let's switch to a better finger than that, and then the 5 chord, again, same motion as before. The bottom 2 notes are going to separate. E flat's going to move down to D, and we're going to have the A flat we had before, and we keep the B flat on top. That's the 5 chord, and then back to the 1 chord. Okay, let us try those nice and smoothly. Ready, set, go. Easy enough. If you need any more clarification, go ahead and watch the fingers portion of this video to help remind you where to cross over for the scale. Those things are important for coordination. If you have any additional questions about this scale or any other scales, please see the comment section and then write a comment, and I will respond to it as promptly as I can. Otherwise, have a nice day and make sure you practice your scales every day.